What's the one thing that every real estate trainer is afraid to tell you, but I am not? I've been in this business for over 28 years, and I can tell you with certainty that the most successful agents that I work with, men and women who are earning $2, $3, $4, $5 million a year, you know how they got there, you know how their team gets there, you know how they maintain it, it's through the consistency with which they prospect. So why is it that it's so important for us to pick up the phone, make calls, dial, smile? Well, for starters, it creates consistency inside of your business. When you are actively seeking out new leads and opportunities, making your calls every single week, you're not relying on chance or luck to bring in new business. You're taking control of your destiny. You're ensuring a steady stream of income coming in so you don't have those highs and lows. But see, that's not all. Prospecting also allows you not to be attached to leads. Too many agents, I see them all the time. They get emotionally attached to certain clients, to certain leads, and this can lead to frustration, it can lead to disappointment, and ultimately just an overall lack of success. But see, my friends, when you're prospecting consistently, you're not putting all of your eggs in one basket. You're constantly bringing in new leads, new opportunities, which means you don't have to rely upon any of the clients that you have or leads to keep your business going because you're continuing to load the cannon all the time. And finally, prospecting separates you from the competition. Let's face it, in this business, there are a lot of agents out there competing for the same clients. We're all competing for the same deals. But when you're actively prospecting, pick up the phone for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours a day, you're showing your clients that you talk to, those prospects, that you're willing to put in the time, that you are willing to put in the effort and to earn their business with grit, determination, to grind out and do the things that others aren't willing to do. You're not just waiting for the phone to ring or for someone to walk into your office. You're out there making it happen. That sets you apart from the rest. My warriors, if you're not already prospecting consistently, it's time to start. And if you've already started, it's time to actually increase. If you're not doing anything, go to 1 hour. If you're doing 1 hour, go to 2 hours. If you're doing 2 hours, go to 3 hours. Make it a part of your daily routine. And watch, I promise you, give you my word as a coach who has conducted 115,000 coaching sessions plus, that your business will grow and you will thrive. Remember, it's not enough to be a good agent. You have to be a great salesperson, and great salespeople know that we have to prospect every single day. Drop something in the DM that lets me know that you are committed to actually having your discipline of prospecting lead your business.